Time, there is two men. They have lunch. They eat meat. This is a delicious meal.
Yes, you are right.
Suddenly, Jack heard his wife crying.
Help me! I need a hand!
After hearing her screaming, he looks to the dinosaurs who are running behind his wife. Then Jack makes three rolls in the sky and he throws the spear over it. And the dinosaur is dead. Jack tells,
I helped her. I did it. Yes.
Yes!
Thank you so much, Jack.
Then he finishes his lunch with his friends.